Just when we could barely stand again from the worldwide pandemic, Typhoon Odette brought us back to our knees. As the winds grew stronger and stronger, so did our prayers, as there was nothing left to hold on to except our faith during what most Cebuanos described as the scariest night of their lives. Fear overwhelmed everyone for nearly 4 hours as Odette packed maximum sustained winds of 175 kilometers per hour near the center, with gusts up to 240 kilometers per hour. When the skies calmed down, there was another kind of fear waiting to be faced: Odette's aftermath. True enough, Odette left a massive trail of destruction as homes, buildings, and business establishments were damaged. Posts, trees, and debris filled the streets, which made roads impassable in the different areas of Metro Cebu. As of December 2021, the death toll in Cebu has reached 76. There was a province-wide loss of electricity and internet connection, and a shortage of water both for drinking and household use.
Ang karon pwede dito lisura kay daghan ginawa na kapuy-an. Balay niya tubig, kuryente. Number 1 jud ang balay sir kay mga kasagaran balay sa mga wasak gyud.
Lines can be seen at almost every sidewalk, even under the scorching heat of the sun. ATM machines are jam-packed with people in need of cash in the absence of digital transactions.
Ang linya ko sugod mga 11:40. So naabot na ko ron sa oras. To kapin na. So mahugog do ka oras kapin.
Roads leading to gasoline stations are filled with vehicles, wherein some have even started lining up at dawn.
Nasa 6 pa ng umaga, nandito na kami nakalinya. Ako.
Kanina punta ka alas 6. Nagsugod yung kuglin niya alas 2 pas kadlaon. Antod karon is wa pa gyud kasugod ang atong kuan kani sa gasoline station.
Ang problema nato is dili nato control ang depo. Daghan pa kaayo nga nakapila dito ang mga lorry mo deliver po sa lain-lain klase nga estasyon na ni Sel. So karon waiting ta nga natay delivery karon but wala tay assurance sa oras mo abot tungod kinapoy nag-una nato nga mga lorry.
Some have also managed to bring their empty gallons to resell fuel at 100 to 150 pesos per liter to motorists on the streets. Lines are also seen at water refilling stations and in areas where sources of water for household consumption are located. The Cebu City government has already issued a warning to all business establishments that their permits may be revoked if caught and proven to be selling overpriced goods such as food and fuel while the city is under a state of calamity. Lapu-Lapu City Mayor 𝗪𝗥𝗔𝗧𝗪 also requested all Oponganons not to steal wires from fallen electrical posts, as this will only further delay the restoration of power supply. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.